Visual Studio Code IDE. It is free and open source, supporting multiple languages. Installation setup on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Google search box lo enter VS Code download. Enter key press code.visualstudio.com download. First link click. Visual Studio Code official web page complete display. Middle section lo download Visual Studio Code free and built on open source integrated Git and debugging and extensions pack. Supporting OS Windows, Linux, Mac OS. Users also related options select. Present Windows. First button Windows click. Thank you for downloading VS Code. Code faster with AI assistant. Download section lo VS Code user setup -x64.exe executable file. Downloading process start. File size 120 MB. Wait and hear. Downloading process completing. Downloading process completed. Browser minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side downloads folder lo VS Code exe executable file display. Select mouse double click. Download folder minimize. Set up Microsoft Visual Studio Code user window lo license agreement. Application related license info display in box. Bottom side first option. I accept the agreement. Left side circle tick mark set. First button. Next click. Select destination location. Installation location. Default path display in box. Newly created folder VS Code. Second button. Next click. Select start menu folder. Start menu folder name Visual Studio Code. Set. Second button. Next click. Select additional task. Two options display. First one, additional icon. Create a desktop icon. If necessary, desktop shortcut. Easy access purpose. Left side tick mark set. Others section lo first one option. Left side box tick mark set. Second button. Next click. Selected settings options display in box. Second button. Install click. Preparing to install. Installing. Please wait while setup install Visual Studio Code on your computer. Application related executable files extracting process start. Wait and hear few minutes. Desktop shortcut Visual Studio Code display. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard window lo finish button click. Desktop shortcut select mouse double click. Visual Studio Code IDE interface complete dark mode display. Window maximize. Right side build with agent chat box display. Chat box related settings. Top section lo settings related icon click. Tool set and custom agents. First one choose your theme. Select light mode and dark mode. And first one close. Top section of terminal menu click first one new terminal select set your terminal convenient. Right side build with agent unnecessary close. Left side first option explore click. Bottom section lo settings icon click. Second option settings click. Search box lo font enter. Editor font size 18. Scroll down. Terminal integrated font size 18. Enter the terminal. Code runner run in terminal. Left side box tick mark set. Settings close. Extensions install in your VS Code. Left side fifth icon. Extensions click. Internet connect. Search box coding related extension language. Enter Python. Python extension pack. Select already installed. Close. Explorer right click.